Season's greetings, SakaFet foodies. It's Jose here with another recipe. This time we're bringing you a Panettone French toast. I don't know if you ever had this before. It's an Italian sweetbread, usually had around Christmas and New Year's. But if you don't know what to do with it, you can make French toast. So we're going to show you how to do that. We're starting off with a blueberry compote. Just add all of the ingredients into a saucepan and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Next, we're going to make a yogurt sauce, and you're going to use a nice thick yogurt. And again, you're just going to add everything into the bowl, mix, and set it aside. Now we're going to prepare the custard that we're going to put our panettone into. I really like the versatility of this recipe because you can customize it any way you want. And we basically just used what we had available to us. We used blueberries from our blueberry picking this summer that were frozen, and we used yogurt because we had that. You could add strawberries, you could have it with maple syrup, whipping cream, really any topping that you like. Now for the star of the show, the panettone, and we have a lemon cream flavor. So inside of it is an actual lemon cream, but when we opened up that package, that sweetbread smelled so good. We just couldn't wait to dig in. Now, if you've ever made French toast before, you're basically just going to do the same thing. A lot of butter in a hot pan, dip your bread, and then fry until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. I guarantee you that if you try this recipe, this is going to be your next holiday favorite. And here it is, our delicious panettone French toast. We finished it with a bit of lemon zest on top. We at SakaFeteFood really appreciate you guys, the viewers, for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, God bless.